Good morning, guys. It's 3:18 early in the morning and it's raining. It is cloudy weather today here in Pacific Northwest. I just woke up and what is this? I have assignments from Ode. Let's read. Clean the bathroom, wipe down dining table, clean exhaust vent, vacuum entire floor. Oh man. Well, I think I'll be houseman for today. Houseman mode. It's cold. Heading out right now. I'm going to pick up Ode. And it's raining. Alright. I hope Ode will get surprised with the balloon. Nothing much, only chocolate and tulip flower. Because rose is overrated. That's why. She's coming, she's coming. Happy Valentine's!
Hi! Masyak ko. Late? Thank
Late
you.
but never.
LBC, late but coming. Thank you.
How's that?
Thank you nga.
Love you.
Wow, this is my favorite.
I'm Kim here, and today we're going to be talking all about coconut oil. I've been intrigued with coconut oil for quite a few years now. I use it in my baking. I love it so much that I even have it as part of my protein shakes and my snacks as well.
You only come and go when you feel like it. Been at it for a while, but you won't commit. This inconsistent love is messing with my head.
Happy Valentine's Day!
I know, and we're here at the camera store. Glazer's camera. I didn't film inside because it is so weird.
You know I can't fight it. Wanna put my hands all over your body. Ooh, and if the stars don't shine, yeah, and if the moon fell down tonight, I would be there no matter what. I wanna be the one to make you fall in love.
So yeah, that's Scary Park. That is Scary Park.
Carrie.
Scary Park.
Oh my god, it scared me. There's a dog inside the car.
Oh my god. I thought it was a
Oh my gosh.
I thought it was a I thought it was a stuffed toy. So that's Scary Park, which is good thing about here is free parking and it's near downtown.
Yes, you can see over here the Seattle Center, the West Seattle, Elliott Bay, Bainbridge Island.
It's cold here because it's a high ground, so weather is like around 50s. I think we're going home or drive more around. So acting tourist for today, right?
My glasses takes forever to transition.
So Ode decided to just stay in the car because it's cold. So on that street is from Scary Park. So all the way here, there's one more like park. It's called Marshall Park. So this is how it looks like over here. There's some what they call this bench, and the view from here is, I don't know, it's my first time over here, but whew, can't be wrong. Highlands. I don't know if you could see the snow caps over there. The Puget Sound area. And I think that there is like the cruise ships and stuff. Marshall Park. Barry Bowen Viewpoint. Yeah, that's the park, and it's cold. Going back to the car. Right.
In half a mile, turn right onto Queen Anne Avenue North. Turn left onto Aloha Street.
Stuck in the traffic. So this is the real deal. Stuck in the traffic. Rush hour around like 4 o'clock. Downtown Seattle. Please be advised, don't drive. Traffic is nuts over here. What can you say, madam? I'm tired. Tired of what? You do nothing? Oh my gosh. So we went for lunch in Outback, and then we went to Blazer's Camera, and then we went to this tea house called Cedar something, but fortunately we didn't find any parking, so I decided to just go to Cary Park to show Audie what it looked like.